This is the cell. This is the building block of all life. Let's travel inside the cell to see what it's made of. As we approach the cell, the first thing you will see is the cell membrane. This holds everything inside the cell and also keeps things out. It does this by using passive and active transport throughout the cell membrane. Next to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus imports and exports things throughout the cell to make sure it stays alive. As we move to the chloroplast, you'll see as it makes ATP for the cell to use for energy for multiple things. Now we move to the vacuole. The vacuole will store food or nutrients that the cell can use, and it will also store waste from the cell. Next we move to the mitochondria. The mitochondria produces ATP or energy for the plant cell to use. Next we move to the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is what helps all the cells, organelles, float inside of the cell walls. Next is the rough ER and the ribosomes. The ribosomes create proteins, and the rough ER sends things out from the cell, almost like the Golgi apparatus. The smooth ER is different than the rough ER. The smooth ER produces lipids and also can break down other substances. The nuclear envelope is the outside of the nucleus. The nuclear envelope lets things flow through it by having many pores on the outside of it. The nucleus is practically the control center of the cell. The nucleolus is the center of the nucleus. This part contains all of the DNA in the cell, and this is what makes each cell unique. The vesicles is another sac-like substance. This holds water and transports it to the other parts of the cell. This has been my tour of the plant cell.